Goa TMC is there and will be there to take up Goan issues, be it the ST reservation bill, be it the CRZ issue, be it the fishermen's issue. हे सगळे इश्यूआंचेर आमगेली तयारी चालू आहा. आतां मान्सून पार्लिमेंट सेशनाक मुखार वचपाचें. बेजिकली आनी एक इम्पॉर्टंट खबर थ्रू दीस मिडियम ऑफ प्रेस सांगपा सोदता की आमगेल्यो सगळ्यो स्टेट कमिटीज जितल्यो आहाय त्यो आमी एज ऑफ नाव डिजॉल्व केलो आहाय आनी न्यू कमिटीजांचे आमी वर्क करपा लागलो आहाय. सेंट्रल लिडरशीप आमगेली इज क्लोजली मॉनिटरींग एंड वी आर वर्किंग टू ब्रिंग टू डू एन ऑर्गनायजेशन which will be there on the ground for the party and for Goa. So basically as of now amge sogli organization and they stand dissolved. Okay, and the new leadership and the new committee will be released in a few months from now.
He is the convener and he has got instructions to say that all committees are dissolved. But the central leadership in consultation and with the convener will be working out, because our experiences, whatever we have had, good and bad, we will be utilizing it to form new committees. Now coming back to the All India issue is the WAF bill. Now why is AITC opposing it in Parliament as well as outside Parliament? The reason is it has got nothing to do with a religious issue. It has got to do with the Constitution. Article 25 and 26 gets infringed with this bill that has been brought. The right under Article 25 to practice, preach and propagate as per your conscience any religion gets infringed by this bill. Therefore, AITC has opposed it in Parliament and is opposing it outside Parliament also. Article 26, if the Constitution gets infringed by WAF bill, it gives the freedom to manage religious affairs, which gets blocked by this bill. There is interference into the management of the religious affairs. Therefore, to maintain institutions for religious and charitable purposes, it's a constitutional right guaranteed. This WAF bill gets into the way and blocks your independence of it. To acquire movable and immovable property and to administer such property in accordance with law. The AITC will continue to oppose this, and we assure if we come to power the center, we will reverse this bill. Because this is interference. Today it has got nothing to do with religious, Muslim, this, that, nothing. It is infringement on the rights guaranteed by the Constitution. So, therefore, our stand is very clear. We are fighting to safeguard the Constitution, and it has got no religious connotations. Of course, everything will be working on. No, I told you, our experiences of the present committee, as he has just now explained, good and bad experiences, you pick up from that and see that committee.
You all will come closer to the election time?
No, not at all, not at all, not at all. He said within 3-4 months we are working
2-3
on.
months on Sanmar Baba.
Which are these committees which are dissolved? Can you name them?
No,
See,
all state committees.
All state committees, coordination media coordination committee, Mahila committees, youth committee, whatever is there, all are dissolved.
Next 3 months म्हणता आपल्याला तुम्ही ZP लागेल होतं ZPचे ते म्हणजे 10-12 पण सीटा आहेत.
Both are being worked parallel. That is why. That is why, because
ताका लागून स्टेट कमिटीज फॉर्म कोत्ताय न्हू.
we are forming. No, we are forming.
ZP सोदून ते कमिटींग घातो न्हू आमी.
Azim sir, you said the work is nothing to do with religion, but nothing is good in West Bengal.
What?
At present, nothing is good in West Bengal.
This is again made news
How
by
is
the
it
Gojik
in
media.
West Bengal?
I am telling you, I have explained to you. Know, whole of West Bengal. It is actually, I am not saying, it is actually concerning only 2 police stations. Number one. The court is also seized of the matter. There are other national organizations gone there. Report is getting prepared. Why are you getting? Same thing happened during Lok Sabha election. This is what happened during Lok Sabha election. Sandesh Kali, this happened, that happened. We won that seat by 1.5 lakh vote. This is rape. That all was proved to be false. Nothing happened. This is just because of the 26 elections. We are very firm, we are in control, and be sure the people of Bengal will once again repose faith in Mamata Didi.
What about Goa? People will repose faith in Goa also.
Watch, wait and watch. Why you are jumping the gun, brother?
Not jumping the gun, just asking you.
No, I'm telling you, wait.
How long?